Why is preserving herbs such a vital task for every gardener and cooking enthusiast? Well, if you've ever experienced the joy of adding homegrown basil, rosemary, or thyme to your cooking, you'll know the answer. Preserving herbs allows you to capture the magic of your garden and bring it to your kitchen year-round. Now imagine the taste of summer in the dead of winter, a dash of preserved herbs bringing your favorite dishes to life. That's the magic of drying and preserving herbs. And today, we delve into this enchanting process. The process begins with harvesting, a task best done in mid-morning. This timing ensures the morning dew has evaporated but the hot sun has not yet drained the herbs of their essential oils. Snip the herbs, leaving a few inches of growth so they can regenerate. Next, we move on to cleaning. Rinse your herbs gently under cold water to remove any dirt or insects. Pat them dry thoroughly, ensuring no moisture is left, as it can cause mold during the drying process. Then we reach the crucial step, drying. There are several methods to do this, but the simplest and most accessible is air drying. Bundle 4 to 6 stems together, secure them with a rubber band or string, and hang them upside down in a warm, dry, well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight. The upside down hanging allows the essential oils to flow from the stems to the leaves, enhancing their flavor. If you're short on time, oven drying is a quicker alternative. Set your oven to the lowest possible temperature, place the herbs on a baking sheet, and keep the oven door slightly ajar for air circulation. It's important to keep a close eye on them to prevent scorching. Once the herbs are crisp and crumble easily, they are ready for preservation. Carefully remove the leaves from the stems and store them whole to maintain their flavor. Keep them in an airtight container away from light and heat. Freezing is another method of preservation that retains more flavor than drying. Simply chop the herbs, place them in an ice cube tray, cover with water or oil, and freeze. When you need them, just pop a cube into your cooking. To sum up, preserving herbs is a delightful journey that begins with the right harvesting, followed by thorough cleaning. Then, depending on time and resources, choose the drying method that suits you best: air drying or oven drying. Finally, store the herbs correctly to enjoy their flavor for months to come. And remember, preserving herbs isn't just about saving money or reducing waste. It's about capturing the essence of your garden and bringing it into your kitchen, no matter the season. So, next time, when you have a flourishing squash herb garden or a surplus from the farmer's market, don't let them wilt away. Instead, dry and preserve them. It's simple, rewarding, and oh so tasty.